Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you a walkthrough of project management and time tracking plan. Once you have created the account and you have chosen a card of project management and time tracking, you are landed to our account like this. Here on the left side, you will see the features that are being allotted inside the specific plan selected. It includes dashboard, timesheet, project, financials, calendar, activity, location, reports, and the people and the setting. Let's look at the features one by one. In the dashboard, you will be able to see the widgets that are coming from this specific drop down. You can select and you can even deselect the feature and it is going to disappear from your screen. To have it enabled, you can click on the same feature again. You can select the members, team or department from here, and you can even select between the date range from this specific drop down. So this is the dashboard giving you a glance of all the activities being done by your members. Further on the screen, we have timesheet. A timesheet is recorded via the web tracker here and it is displayed here on the screen. You can add a manual timesheet from this specific shortcut and that can be visible again on the similar list. This is the approval page where the list of the timesheet added by your users are shown and you can even approve or deny among them. Let's move to the project. Here in project, to add a new project, you can click on this specific button. And once you've done with adding, the listing is going to appear like this on the screen. Here you can view the project name, the member, clients, task, any added to it, per hour rate, budgeted, invested, and the status. You can have them deleted, view, edited or copy or mark it complete from the specific three dots. You can click on the project name to view all the details of the project and even select the members and add a members to the screen on the specific project. Moving forward to the financials. In the financials, we have budget where you can click on add budget to add a new budget to the specific project. Once the budget is added, it is going to show you on the listing like this, which gives you the budget name, type, any client added to it, any project added to it, the status of the budget and the revenue margin percentage coming up. Moving further to the expenses tab, here we can add an invoice and even expense to the budget, and adding a new expense you can click on the specific button and once it is added it is going to show on the listing like this. It shows you the amount, the date of the expense, reason, member added to it, what is the current status of it and the category it has been added to. Click on the three dots to view, reject or delete the expense. Let's have a look on the invoicing section. To add a new invoice, you can click on this button. Once it is added, it is going to give you on the listing page here, which shows you the information of the title of the invoice added, any client or the project added to it, the issue date or the due date has been done, any notes that has been added or the status and the amount for which it has been added. The three dots here gives you the explanation on view, invoice, export, and also it shows you the reason of the paid invoices. Inside the calendar view, we have schedule. Here you can click on add schedule to add a schedule to your members and they have to adhere to that and they can run the tracker between the added schedules to get their time displayed on their timesheets. Next is the time off request. The users added to the policy of the time off can be requested their leave and it is going to view again the specific name in this page. Here it gives you the information on what was the duration of the leave, the type, the note, status and the approver note. Here it is going to give you the leave balances, what is the amount of the leave balance with the specific policy. It is going to give you the monthly pattern also. This is the attendance feature. Here you can see the check-ins and check-outs of each of the individual and you can select the name of the individual from here drop down. And you can see the complete attendance stats from the specific page against the username. This is the screenshot section where you can see the screenshot cap via the desktop app and then it is going to display here. You can even select between these shortcut icons and you can change the name of the user from the specific drop down. Same goes for the app and URL as well. In the job site section, you will be able to add a geofencing site against the specific name of the user and that user can log in the mobile application to have the timer enabled and run on the specific geofencing site. That can be done via the new job site feature we have. In the report section, we have time and activity, weekly, app and URL, manual time edit report, timesheet and the approvals report of that, project and task, budget, attendance basic, advanced payroll, and the dynamic report along with the job site and time of transaction report for the specific plan that you have selected. These reports are going to give you the detailed information of whichever is needed for the specific team, department, or of the members. The people section of the employee gives you the detailed information of the total number of users that are being inside your organization, how many are invited or are requested, or you can see the onboarding status of those members as well. Next is the team section. Here you can click on new team to add a new team inside the organization of your account. The members can be added as a teammates and the team lead can be selected against the each team name, and it is going to give you a listing view like this. Similar goes for the department as well. In the client section, you can click on add new client, and then once you have added a client, it is going to give you a listing here which gives you a detail on client name, email ID, phone number, project it has been invited to, and what is the invitation status of the client that has been invited. Let's look on to the settings where you can see that the organization and department settings related to the invoices or the currency conversion, manage the project IDs are being given. Members and roles settings can be done. The timesheet, modify the timesheet activity percentage can be done from here. The timer app will be related to your desktop apps, that settings related to it can be done. Notifications can be enabled which are available as a daily work summary of your previous day via the email. The integration of the work status with a third party can be done via the import apps. Billing gives you the information of the billing history and the what is the amount being paid. It is shown along with the invoices. It also gives you the overview of the plan which you have bought and I had upgraded to. So this was all about the project management and the time tracking plan. Thank you.